Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Just my spot. Only the bench is dirty, but the tables are clean. How long will it stay that way? Improvements? I don't think I want improvements today. I want something better. Bigger, better, and better. And that's what I heard. But how true can things be when rumors are always out there? I don't know if I want to go this way or that way. You notice I didn't mention a name. Yeah, man. I was just shocked to see my area spiffy and clean. Wow. How long will that stay that way? I don't know. But that park bench that I sat on, it's like somebody put tar and the tar just don't go away. Change it out to be a nice clean one like so. Now, I don't have zoom, but I got two copters and I see them flying and hovering right by where I'm at. So I'm not sure what's happening again. To have helicopters just hanging out. Maybe if I went that way, I would see it. If I point the camera around, I'll show you where it's at. You see where the amplets, you see that pole, and you see the next pole? There's one above the house and one right by the pole. I don't get it. I see a lot of people picking up cigarette butts. What are they doing? They're making their own cigarette out of the butts on the floor. But I was pointing at the helis, and they're in a pretty good distance.